Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to switch between pages on your Mac. We'll cover several efficient methods to help you navigate your workspace with ease. You'll learn about using Mission Control to see all your open windows and desktops at a glance. We'll also explore handy trackpad gestures and essential keyboard shortcuts to make your workflow smoother and more productive. Get ready to master your Mac's multitasking capabilities. Mission Control is your Mac's command center for managing open applications and desktops. To activate it, simply swipe up with 3 or 4 fingers on your trackpad or press the dedicated F3 key on your keyboard. You can also click the Mission Control icon in your dock. This view gives you a comprehensive overview of all your active windows, full-screen applications, and multiple desktop spaces, allowing you to quickly select and switch to your desired view. Your Mac's trackpad offers intuitive gestures for seamless navigation. Swipe left or right with 3 or 4 fingers to effortlessly move between full-screen applications or desktop spaces. For keyboard enthusiasts, Command+Tab allows you to cycle through your open applications, releasing the keys to select your desired app. Additionally, Control plus the left or right arrow keys lets you jump between your different desktop spaces, enhancing your multitasking efficiency. To truly optimize your workflow, consider organizing your applications across multiple desktop spaces. For instance, dedicate one space for communication apps and another for creative tasks. You can even assign specific applications to open in particular spaces through system settings. Experiment with hot corners to instantly trigger Mission Control or App Exposé. Consistent practice with these methods will build muscle memory, making your page switching incredibly fast and intuitive, boosting your overall productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.